So in lesson 5, we're going to talk more about formulas. We're going to get in depth about on how formulas work, what all our options are, some of the shortcuts in making formulas. So we're going to go in more depth than we did in lesson 4. Lesson 4 is basically an introductory on how to add, subtract, multiply, divide, how to create ranges of cells, how to name them, how to reference cell groups or ranges in a different workbook or even a different worksheet. So now we're going to focus more on formulas. So launch Excel, launch Excel and go to A1. So to become familiar with the tools available to build formulas and insert functions, so click the Formulas tab at the top. So Excel arranges functions by category in the functions library group. So financial, logical, text, so on. So click the financial button arrow and you have a drop down list of functions that are financial in nature. So maybe you're a banker, accountant, tax professional, something like that. This might be something you use on a daily basis. So they're there for convenience. So you can also find functions using the Insert Function dialog box. So on the Formulas bar, or Formulas tab, Formulas tab, or on the Formula bar, click the Insert Function button, which looks like this. It's the little FX, Insert Function. Same thing down here. I'm going to click this one. The button, let's see, so once you click it, you get the Insert Functions dialog box, and now you can search for a function or you can select a function. So you can also select a category. So for example, type date and click go, or go up here. And so now you have dates that come up. So date, select the function date. So with date selected in the selection function, click OK. So the function arguments dialog box, so that it just kind of creates a chain of reactions. So sometimes if you hit the wrong button and you don't mean to, you have to find your way out of it without messing up your worksheet. Sometimes it's inconvenient. Some of you, when I've walked around, I've accidentally hit the wrong button in your worksheet and we've had to hit escape to get out, or you've watched me up on the board hit the wrong thing trying to do something, I end up in the wrong dialog box or with a bunch of cells highlighted or active I didn't want active. So you just got to figure out how to get out of there. So enter the current year. So the current year is 2016. The number of the current month, so 9, and the day, which today is the 13th. So click OK. So as you see, you've just told it to put the date in of 9/13/2016, and you see the format it put in there. So the year is first, the month, and then the date. So we need to save this file. and put it on your network drive, and you can create a lesson 5 folder. And I'm going to call it 05 for lesson 5, practice solution. So I'm going to create a new folder. Put it in this folder. Lesson 5.